How to sand and polish car glass yourself. Tired of that hazy, scratched look on your glass? Let's get it looking crystal clear. First things first, cover all the seals with tape and degrease the glass. We'll be using 600p and then 1000p grit discs for the sanding. Subscribe to the channel. The golden rule, keep moving. Stay in one spot and you risk heat damage or a lens effect. Don't miss out. We're giving away a £50 voucher to spend in our shop. All you need to do to participate is like, subscribe, and leave a comment below this video. If you don't know what to write, just write the model of the car you currently drive. We will select the winner at random and you will know the results by the 18th of December 2025. The details are in the video description. Heads up, this won't fix deep scratches or chips. You'd have to remove far too much glass and that would cause distortion. Install the Autodoc app, save money when buying spare parts. Changing grits, clean the glass thoroughly. Don't drag that old grit into your fresh work. Time for the magic. We're polishing with cerium oxide CEO2 mixed with water. Check your work. If it's not perfectly clear and uniform, just go over it again. All done. Get that tape off and clean up all the polishing residue. So, have you ever tried this? Let us know in the comments. Found this video useful? Give it a like and subscribe for more handy DIY car tips.